explain the importance of Sankalp Pujas that are being organized at Rudra Life. First of all, I would like to show you our temple. Uh, this is a place, this direction is northeast. We have a painting on canvas of Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, and the Pradhan Isht Devta is Shankarji. It's a 1 kg Sphatik Shivlingam on a pure silver jewelry base. We have a marble, pure marble, Makrana marble statue of Devi. Ma is there. This was procured from the most famous place, Rajasthan, from Jaipur. And here we have Shaligram. This is a very rare 20 kg Shaligram. Now this area is the northeast part of our office. When we made this office, we have done a lot of pujas. Even there are yantra placed on the walls, embedded on the walls. Northeast, the Ishan Cone has been energized with proper rituals for energizing this particular environment, this particular place. Now, Yajna Mimamsa states that if a person is not able to do puja on his own at his place, a Vedic Brahman can take a sankalp and do puja on his behalf, and all the attributes are attained by the Yajman. In older times also, the rituals and pujas were not performed at the Raja's place or Jajman's place, at the king's place. They were always done at Gurukul. And only the sankalp of the Raja was taken, and the puja and all the rituals, havan, etc. were performed. So it's a myth sometimes amongst people that if we do online pujas, maybe the effect will not be so great. It is not true at all. Rather, I would like to emphasize one more point. As you all are aware that since last 20 years, Rudra Life is hell-bent on quality. Today, if suppose you want to get a puja done at your own premises, you will talk to a pandit and then you will ask him, suppose you want to do a Satyanarayan puja, you will ask him, Pandit ji, kitne ka hoga? What will be the cost? The Pandit ji will give a particular price. Then you will also ask that samagri, tabhi aap hi le aiye. So the Pandit adds on to that particular price. You just see the total amount and you say okay. But let me tell you one thing. In all pujas, the most important element is samagri. Many a times, Pandit, they bring the same samagri which has been used in earlier pujas and they perform the pujas. This is not right. पाप भी हमें भी लगता है, भले ही वो आंशिक पाप हो. We at Rudra Life make sure that we use all fresh samagris and we use all unadulterated as well as the best quality that is available. In some more videos you will see what type of clove we use. We use clove which is rich in clove oil. Even small details we pay attention to it. Secondly is हमारे यहाँ जो राजेश पंडित जी हैं, जो हमारे यहाँ पूजाएं कराते हैं, he is so attached, he has so good bhav. He makes sure that all the recitations are done in a proper Vedic ritualistic manner. One more thing I would like to mention is that we have ensured live streaming for the entire duration of pujas. When we take sankalp of any jajman, it is not as if we'll send them a 2-3 minute clip, etc. They can watch the entire puja in their premises, be it home or office. They can watch it online and they can let the mantras of that puja empower their premises as well. So one should try and take advantage of Rudra Life Sankalp Pujas. Mr. Nair is here. Nandakumar Nair ji is there, who organizes all the pujas. He makes sure that all the proper procedures are followed in terms of procurement of all good quality samagri as well as the flowers that are used. What kind of pandits will come is also decided by him, and even the food of the pandits. All in all our pujas, because Brahman Bhojan is important, so he makes sure that the food is procured from the best source, which does not have any pyaj, lasun, etc., and proper procedures and SOPs are followed. Akash Mishra ji is here, who is wholly solely responsible for all sankalps that are done in the puja. Both Mr. Nair and Akash ji are well versed in astrology as well, so they even check the astrological chart of people and advise them on which puja would be beneficial for them if they opt for an individual puja. Sankalp pujas are only on specific occasions, like for example, we are going to have Ram Navami in the month of April. We'll have a very grand Akshaya Tritiya in the month of May we are having, and Sankalp Puja, the advantage of Sankalp Puja is also, for example, I'll give you Ram Navami. During Ram Navami, we have this Akhand Ramayana part. If a person wants to individually do a proper Akhand Ramayana part, which lasts for 24 hours by 6 Vedic Pandits, generally the costing would be around 40 to 45,000 rupees minimum price. If we do it with good, the way we do it over here. But in Sankalp, you get an advantage of doing it at almost 1/10 of the price. So people can get that advantage, and Sankalps, Akash ji always makes sure that Sankalps are done at the proper muhurat, at the proper timing. So we at Rudralife just wish and pray that everybody is benefited by this exercise of ours, by this devotion of ours, and during this COVID times, these pujas were always being done. Since last 10 years around, we have always been having a mandir at Rudralife, as well as Pandits have always been here on rules of the company. But during this Corona times, we felt that if this benefit can go to many people who are not able to go to the temples or get puja organized at their homes. So we follow, of course, all the COVID protocols, etc. And even our Pandits, they come up with all RT-PCR tests, etc. And many of our clients in Bombay who are there here in Mumbai, they do come here also, and they are most welcome to come during those pujas and participate themselves physically also in the pujas, and they can feel the vibration, the energy of this environment. Namaskar.